And welcome back to Ben's Life. I'm back with the boy Sam.
Hello.
It's been too long. It's been like 3 months because he's been working constantly. God, why does he have to have a real life and a real job? But we are here doing a remake of one of my first ever like abandoned videos, and this was the abandoned house in the marshes in Felixstowe. It's all bricked up so you can't get in, but it's got interesting history and it's just a really nice pretty place, and we're going to get the sunset there and we're going to toast some marshmallows, and it's just going to be a very chill video. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's go and explore.
Let's do it.
So we are walking down some steps to the beach huts, pretty little beach huts. There's a lot of people here today as well, or tonight. All the beach huts. I'll get a little photo of them quickly for you all. Oh, we're gonna get like some nice shots just all around Felixstowe, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just
it's going to be good. It's going to be good. We're going to see some nice views. There's a little house, a bit of history. Yeah.
Do it. We have Sam over here trying to get this bull, and I am filming this in case he goes in. Ah, you got the bull. This sunset, oh, that is zoomed in on my face. This sunset is going to be so pretty tonight. It's perfect weather for it, and perfect weather for the drone. Let's go! So Sam, well, a minute. What did you used to call these Martello towers that are coming up?
Well, when I was in year 2,
yeah,
we went on a field trip to learn all about, well, what I know now they're called Martello towers, but I used to think they were called marshmallow towers. Because they look like a little bit like a mushroom, I guess. That's what I was thinking.
Look at that marshmallow there. And so this is the Martello Tower, which is actually lived in. That's proper lived in. There is someone who owns that, stays in it. It must be quite dark in there.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't appreciate us trying to enter it. If we were to go.
But here it is.
Oh wait.
Oh, they got a light on in there. Yeah, they got a light on in there, but that...
It's like a little castle on the inside.
Yeah, it's like a little cave. Okay, so we're now walking up to like the houseboats, which will be on our right hand side in a minute. And then we're going to the house, and now this house was called Home Hill Farm. It became abandoned, I think in the 1950s. Yeah, 1950s, here we go, my knowledge. Also, look at this quickly. Look how pretty this is. I'll give you the rest of the history in a minute. But these are the houseboats. What?
Organic jam.
Organic jam?
Oh. Do you have a look?
Go on then.
Oh. Wow.
So this is someone's like jam and you pay for it. Here.
Looks like some change on me.
Yeah, my wallet's in my backpack. But
Yeah.
there we go. Little shout out to you and your little farm shop. Come and have a look, people. But look at this all along here. So pretty. Now this boathouse, the people who own it do little cartoon strips. So you got this here. Got a little hippopotamus crop. And yeah, you got like, don't forget the diver diving down here where the hippopotamus is coming to eat him. Got boats, but it's just nice, you know. Shows people personalities. It's pretty. It's a pretty little area. I like it. And here is the house. So, the house is up here. Let me start the history again. So basically, it's called Home Hill Farm. It became abandoned during the 1950s when a massive storm hit East Anglia. It flooded the whole area of Felixstowe, pretty much, like the coast of it. And then
no one decided to demolish it.
yeah, no one demolished it, but the rest of the farm got destroyed, and now all that sits there is this house in the middle of a field and nothing else around it. I looked on a paper online and they say that this house, well, I almost tripped, this house would be worth near or just over £1 million in today if it was habitable still, but it's not anymore because it's on marshland. And
there's no well and
yeah,
the water saline most likely.
And literally, if that floods, the house just gets like destroyed again. Pretty much, that is the history on it, and it's completely like concreted up. You can't get in, but it just makes for some stunning photos. Like right now, there are like God rays coming down from the sky with the house like in front of it. So hopefully we get there whilst that's still going on. So Sam here, Bright Spark, sent us the wrong way, and now we've got to walk even longer to get to this house.
You might think, oh, I know, it's just there. But there's a stream right next to us, so we need to go all the way back up, round again. Sorry.
Even though I was like, it's just this way, it's just this way. Honestly, the road's just there.
I've been here like dozens of times. I thought, well, because the cornfield hasn't been in the past, so I don't know. Whatever.
He got confused.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's a part of the fun. Part of the fun. The sky looks amazing. I'm not going to be able to get there for it.
Oh. We might. What's when sun? I think sunset's at 1:45. We've got another.
I made it. Now, let's get these drone shots. And this, I'm gonna do a time lapse on this camera as well, probably. So I reckon it was a 1, 2, 3, maybe a 3-bedroom house with a toilet. Here you go, and a kitchen and a lounge downstairs. But this is the house. Right, I'm gonna get the drone going. So that's sunset pretty much done. Sam's got the drone up. I've just sent mine up for a bit, but this has been the abandoned Home Hill Farm house. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and we'll catch you in a bit. Peace.
Take a skewer and get into stand. You only literally probably have to glide this across because the bloody thing's gonna scorch everything.
Go on, let's go for 2.
No, stick as many as you like on.
I'll go for 2 for now, thank you.
Yeah.
Got the marshmallows.
We've got the Reese's as well. Sell these.
Product brand.
Hey, this ain't the BBC. Other cream cup, butternut cups are available. I just don't know which.
Burning off all the marshmallows before I eat them. We're gonna burn some marshmallows. See, people don't see the weird side of us on video normally.
Might see it of me.
Oh yeah, sometimes of you, but definitely not me.
No.
I don't hide my weirdness on camera, but it doesn't always make an appearance. Alright, I've got to stand back because of my hair. Whoa. Look at that flame!
Johnny Honours?
I think you're the guest on the channel.